Hi, my name is Axel Germansson and I work as an account representative at Amazon Sweden. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to finish the registration process of your selling account with focus on bank and credit card statements. First of all, I will tell you why you need to provide additional documents. Then I will show you how to provide your bank and credit card statements correctly. I will also address some FAQs. And finally, I will provide you with a bank account statement extraction guide for some of the most common banks in Sweden. In accordance with EU regulations, Amazon may request additional documents to verify your identity. This is to ensure a safe environment for both selling partners and customers on Amazon. This includes personal identification documents, and you will then be, as you can see on the right, asked to provide your name, your birthday, your birth country, and some information about your ID, as well as uploading a picture or a document of your ID. This may also include business license and/or a bank or credit card statement as proof of ownership. It is very important that the information you provide when registering on Amazon exactly matches your legal documents. The additional document can either be a bank statement or a credit card statement and should belong to the company or person that is registered. Approved documents. The first one is a bank account statement, and here on the right we see an example of such. The second one is a credit card statement, and on the right we see an example of an international credit card statement. Of course, any credit card statements from a Swedish provider is acceptable. We will now go through the guidelines for these documents. It may only be a bank, loan, or savings account statement with transaction activity for the company or person registering the account. It could also be a credit card statement with transaction activity, but no other types of documents such as bank letters, account information page, or picture of credit cards will be accepted. On the right-hand side, we see a bank statement example from Sweden. If the bank account is in the name of your business, the bank account name on the document must be the name of your business. However, if you have a sole proprietorship, the bank account name on the document must be the sole proprietor's name. The name on the document must match the name of the business or point of contact provided during registration. On the right-hand side, we see such an approved document. The bank logo, bank account number, and business name or point of contact must be clearly visible on the document. On the right-hand side, we have a picture of a bank statement, and we can see that the name is not visible and neither is the account number. So this document would not be approved. You must show transaction activity, but you can't cover individual transactions. When doing so, you should only cover individual numbers. If you cover large areas or the transaction section as a whole, the document will be considered illegible. Now we have the same document on the right-hand side, but we can see the name and the account number. So this document would be approved. The document must not be a screenshot. Please download the statement as a PDF, scan a physical copy of the statement, or take a photo of the physical copy of the statement. On the right-hand side, we see a screenshot of the bank account. And while it shows transaction activity, it is a screenshot and it would not be approved. The document you provide must be dated within 180 days. And on the right-hand side, we now see a bank statement from the same bank, but here it's not a screenshot, and it would therefore be approved. Approved languages for the documents are now visible on the screen. Swedish, English, and a few more are approved. We will now go through some of the frequently asked questions. What should I do if I can't find a bank or credit card statement which matches all the requirements? All banks should be able to provide an acceptable bank account statement. If you have Handelsbanken, Swedbank, Nordea, or SEB, then please refer to our instructions at the end of this video on how to extract a compliant bank account statement. If you're unable to extract the statement for yourself, please contact your bank and ask to be sent a physical copy of a regular bank statement with transactions. What constitutes a bank statement or credit card statement? The bank, loans, savings, or credit card statements should be an extract of transactions for a set period of time. Letters from the bank staff, account information pages, certifications, and other types of documents do not qualify as bank statements. Are there any alternative documents I can upload instead of a bank statement or a credit card statement? No, the only types of documents that will be accepted are bank statements or credit card statements. Uploading bank letters, certification, pictures of credit cards, or any other type of document like that will not be approved. I will now provide you with bank statement extraction guidelines for the most common banks in Sweden. First, Swedbank. You go to your accounts. You then choose your personal or business account, depending on if you're registering as a person or with your business. Filter by date. Click on search. Click on export. Select PDF. And then save the file and upload to the Amazon registration under additional documents in Seller Central. Second, Nordea. Log into the internet bank and select Accounts and Account Events under the tab Finance. Select the account from which you want to print the bank statement and click Print. Choose to print as PDF and print or save. Upload a PDF or scan the printed excerpt and upload under additional documents in Seller Central. Third, Handelsbanken. Go to Inbox. Select Inbox and Mail. Select an account statement for the account you want. Click on the hyperlink at the bottom of the message under Link to Bank Statement. The account statement should be downloaded in PDF format. Upload the PDF file under Additional Documents in Seller Central. And finally, SEB. Log into your internet bank and choose Account and Cards, Account Summary. Choose the account you want to extract a statement for and select it. Select Kontoutdrag for your selected account. Save it as PDF. Upload PDF under Additional Documents in Seller Central. Thank you for listening and happy selling!